Yeah.
Okay, and phone number we have plus 230 wishes. And your number, you can tell me your number, please.
55909
Uh,
8200.
8200. Country, Mauritius. Right, accept, sign up. Let's see if it works. Okay, they send us the email. So let's confirm. Okay, you get an email from the text. Verify my email.
Yeah.
Okay, recent
Okay.
verification has been done. I think so. Did you check the email is okay? The correct, it is correct. etwareeachandradip at gmail.com. Is it fine? Hey, Kevin,
Yes, yes.
it's fine. So verify
Yes,
your
it is good.
email. Let's see, does it work? Now it is working for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, how many people in your company?
Yeah, it's
One.
good.
One only. Continue. What's your role? Accounts manager, accountant, bookkeeper. You are a bookkeeper. You're an owner and partner, right?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Continue. Set up a bookkeeping for my practice. Set up bookkeeping for my client. For my practice for them. Okay. So which accounting software you want to integrate? See, you want to integrate it with
Yeah.
Xero. Continue.
Okay.
Start exploring. Right. I show you how does it work. Now, you want to add a client, right? Bookkeeping for a client. Add a client.
Yeah.
Client name is DGCom. DGCom, what computer services? What was the full name? Computer?
Yes. Did you
DGCom?
yeah, computer.
Computer.
And 1 minute, 1 minute. It is
DGCom?
Digicom
Yes. I DGCom Computer Solutions. Okay. Just copy.
Computer Solutions
Okay.
Limited.
So I just
Computer Solutions Limited.
okay.
Yeah.
DGCom Computer Solutions, right? It is in the industry of, you select the industry same as like in Zero, right?
Yeah.
So you put here uh,
Yeah. 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 Other.
others. Let me scroll it down again. So you put accounting, bookkeeping, agriculture, arts, consultancy, legal, crafts, retail, wholesale. Okay, let's put it here where it is gone. So here IT and here it was IT and computer service, right? Next. They can upload, invite your client to use Dex to prepare. They can upload their financial paperwork to Dex to prepare in a real time. They will invisible or they can first name
Yeah.
Kevin. Okay, I'm just putting your I put my
Yeah.
Inam for
Yeah.
Rahim. Okay, and I put my email Inam
Yeah.
for Rahim at gmail.com, right? Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, so hi Inam, Kevin from Digicom Consultancy has invited to use Dex. This is what we are sending invite to our customer. Fine, to use this application.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So I just put my
Okay.
mm,
Yeah.
code number here plus 92 plus 92 sorry plus 92 and then plus 92, it is not showing. Plus 92, it's not showing off. Okay, we can put your number. I can put your number. Okay, so I can put here 5909
Okay.
800
82 double
8200
O.
8200, right?
82.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Why it is not showing me? I just because I want to see the next. Okay, I press next, confirmation invite. Okay, so now the email is sent to the client to upload the data on the text, right? Now you can see here
Okay.
there should be a demo company where we have. So what happens,
Okay.
like here the client will add the document here,
Yeah.
right? Add the document means that they can send you the PDF files. Good. What you can do, if you want to try
Okay.
this for your company which you are telling me, because this is a trial version, okay, we have free
Yeah.
trial version.
Yeah.
So what you do, if you can give me a
Okay.
helping hand, can you scan all these invoices in the PDF and then you send me, and then I can
Yeah.
upload it in front of you. Do you have the scanner or you have the file where you can, you can just take a
Okay.
picture, or what you can do, you can take a picture or photo of those
Yeah.
invoices, and then we will upload it here. Good. Are you getting me, Kevin? Are you there? Yes, are you there, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm saying
Yes,
that
I
if
can
you
hear
can
you.
take a picture, can you take a picture if you have some invoice
Yeah.
and send it to me, then I can add here and we can see how does it work.
Okay. I'm sending you an wait.
Invoice, invoice you can send
Uh,
me, then I can show you how does it work. Send me some picture of the
yeah.
invoice of your one, any of the invoice, huh? Then we see how does it work for you.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, if I send you a request for payment, will that work?
Request for payment invoice.
Yeah.
You send me any of the invoice, but take a very good photo of that one and send it to me by
I I,
WhatsApp.
I sent you on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. You send me on WhatsApp.
Here it is.
Okay, let's see if we can add this. Otherwise, I can. I wanted to show you the my how we are managing over there. Like I need to show you simultaneously
Yeah.
the zero and over there how we work for
Yeah.
the artificial intelligence. But I can tell you, like this is for your understanding,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Because it is 14 days trial. I tell you what we actually do. This is the
Yeah.
company which we are doing the accounting
Yes. Yes,
bookkeeping.
sir.
Good. You can also add more clients in this list, right? Then you have on the left side, you have the cost side. Cost side refers to your bills that you need to pay to your suppliers, right? So in other words, the
Yeah.
cost refers to your suppliers area.
Okay.
Good. Are you following? This sales is your for customers. This is
Okay.
accounts payable. This accounts receivables. Okay, like you are issuing the invoices, and this is sales section. We don't
Okay.
usually deal with this. Then you have
Yes.
expense report, right? Then you have the bank statement. Like you have some bank statement in the PDF, and you want to post the transaction directly into your accounting software
Yeah.
like Xero. Good. So up to the 6 pages, it can use your bank statement and it can translate your bank statement and upload in the Xero. Okay. So
I
now,
cannot see your screen.
1 minute. I
Right now, good.
Okay. Now once again.